Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You are looking at the first production street legal turn signal kit for the all-new Kawasaki Krx 1000, part number 4200 from Ryko. I have not even opened this up. You're going to see the first opening of the kit here, if I can get it open. Doing some one-handed action here. So you're gonna have to forgive me for that for a second. So, gonna have the full detailed color instructions there. All of the hardware is gonna be packaged up nicely, like they always do it. And the turn signals for the front, 3 3/4 inch LEDs per side. This is the wiring, then it's going to go back and tie into the stock tail lights. Fuse. Column mount switch here, I'm sure. So this lever is going to mount up directly to the steering column. As you can see, nice plug and play kit there. How simple are these kits to install? That's probably our #1 question we get asked. They're actually very easy to install. You only need a couple of tools. As you can see there, 10mm, 5/16 nut driver, a couple other drill bits, a center punch, and a drill. Kit's going to come with everything else you need. You're going to go through and follow the instructions step by step. As you can see, they are machine specific for the KRX already. It's going to show you exactly where to do everything. I love to use a lot of zip ties when I install these here at Big Pine Sports. On the front turn signal lights, anywhere you can drill a 3/4 inch round hole is going to be sufficient for the turn signal lights, and you can separate those out if you'd like. That's kind of what they look like individually, so you can space them out. I'm going to get one of these installed today so you can see what it's like installed. There you're running back to the stock tail lights, so when you initiate the turn signals, it's going to flash inside the stock tail light housing. Installing the horn. There is on the KRX, if you were not aware of this, behind the dash, there is a terminal block there to pull power off of. And there's also like a troubleshooting guide in the back. But if you have any questions, you're also welcome to give us a call, 435-427-3338. All of this is going to be your license plate mounting hardware, the indicator lights that mount up on the dash, the horn, all of the mounting hardware for that. So that KRX over there is going to get this kit installed today. So we're going to have an updated video on that. Just wanted to give you that first look at what's in the box of the Ryko Street Legal Kit for the Kawasaki Krx 1000. Part number 4200. We'll also have the kit up on our website. Today, we do have the kits in stock available for immediate shipment. Have a great day, everybody. You can also go on and order these online from our sister store, Ruthless Motorsports. You can check them out on the web at ruthlessmotorsports.com. We'll also have a link in the comment section or in the information section of this video below. Hope you all have a great day. Talk to you soon.